You have dinner over there?
Yeah. The big one and the little one went crazy running around in circles. She's loved me ever since.
No, she's good with everybody.
Yeah,
She know everybody. Get down, Rox.
So yun lang guys, kung gusto niyo talagang mamonetize yung channel niyo, parang madali ba?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys! Today is supposedly going to pick up my mother-in-law, pero hindi ko pa alam kung i-pick up ko siya guys. Today is Sunday. And hindi ko alam kung kukunin ko siya kasi nag-snow. Oh, ipakita ko nga sa inyo. I don't know kung makikita ba ninyo, pero yay! Dumadami din, lumalaki. So, hindi natin alam kasi hindi ko gustong maglakad or mag-drive. Hindi natin alam yung weather. Baka yung weather, yung snow is until later this afternoon. So, that means kung matagal yung snow, mag-build up. So, mataas siya. So, dangerous mag-drive, diba? Lalo na ako na bagong driver tayo, guys. Okay naman ako, nakadrive na ako na sa snow, pero hindi ganito na snow na palagi. Anyway, so tomorrow is New Year's Eve. So, hindi namin alam kung anong lulutuin ko New Year's Eve. Simple lang ata. I think simple lang yung... Oh, wala nang snow guys. Hindi na nag-snow. So, my sister-in-law, yung kapatid niyang bunso nila, yun yung may bata. So, yun yung magpipick up sa ina nila. And then, ang gagawin ko na lang is pumunta dito doon. And then, i-pick up ko yung biyanan ko. Dalhin ko dito. So, yun para sa amin. Direct na siya dito. Papunta dito kasi. Are you still dreaming? Yes, you're still dreaming, guys. Nagdi-dream si Roxy, guys. Yeah, Mama's getting ready. Mama's gonna pick up Grandma. Okay? Mama's gonna pick up Grandma. Si Misty, guys, andun sa baba pala. Ayaw niyang pumunta dito kasi yung couch is sa kanya yung couch. Kasi wala yung dada niya. So, yun. Wala nang snow. What is that? What is the meaning? What's the meaning of everything? Nagkaraoke ako, guys. May time talaga, guys, no, may time talaga, guys, na parang nabuboard na ako. Ang gagawin ko na lang, ay, gusto kong kumanta. No, magkakaraoke ako, guys, sa YouTube. Yun ang ginagawa ni Mama. May ingay si Mama. Nagkakaraoke na si Mama. Uy, ang ingay ni Mama. Uy, ang ingay ni Mama. Uy. Pabayaan ko lang tong babies ko dito. Yes, pabayaan lang ikaw ni Mama, ha? Be a good boy, ha? Be a good boy to your sister, ha? You have a lot of fats. Oh, you're fatty now. You're a little fatty, nah? You're kind of fatty. Oh my goodness, my little boy. You're a fatty little boy. Yes, you are a fatty boy. Why, you eat too much. You eat too much, my man. Hi, guys. I'm going to pick up my mother-in-law. And let me text my husband. Let me turn this car. Okay guys, I will bring you guys, pero hindi ko kayo i-mount for now. I will mount you na lang kapag andito na si Bianan. Okay? Yeah, I did text my husband already, and I hope he'll text me back. And what else? Sound of the undergo. Tommy texted me. I love you too, drive careful. I will. Okay, makikinig lang tayo ng music and I will be right back with you guys and sana sabayan tayo ng Panginoon. I'm here guys, pero parang wala man dito yung biyanan ko. Oh my God. Okay, so I guess I will see you later when she get here, okay?
No, she had to go to the hospital and she had to do something with Thomas. I don't know what it was. So she picked me up and brought me home and she was there a little while.
Why she doesn't bring Thomas with her? It's Sunday. There's no school.
No, he didn't want to go. He wanted to stay home and play.
You have dinner over there?
Yeah. The dogs went crazy when they saw me.
The big one.
Well, the big one and the little one went crazy running around in circles. The big one almost knocked me over.
Because she's so big.
It was what she did was she was coming to jump on me, and she went in by my legs, in between the two legs, and that took my balance out and pushed me back. Fortunately, I was aware enough to grab onto the wall and avoided having to fall. But then that dog, from the day that she got that dog, and that dog was dropped at my house for me to see her, and she took one good look at me, and she's loved me ever since.
No, she's good with everybody.
Yeah,
She know everybody. People afraid to see her because she's so big.
yeah, and that's good, because Thomas goes and walks her sometimes, and sometimes in the evening, you know, and she's there too. If anything goes wrong,
Hi, baby. It's dark. May snow pa pala, guys, natira. Ang dilim. Malala, somebody's gonna come on. Kuka, where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where is she? Dito. Get down, Rox. Nakauwi na rin sa wakas. Andito na. Mabuti na. Nakalimutan kong ano pala. Nakalimutan kong ano pala ngayon, Sunday. So, walang traffic. Nakalimutan ko. Akala ko may traffic. So, nagmamadali ako pa uwi dito. Nandun na yung biyaran ko sa kwarto niya. Nandun pala siya sa CR. So, yun. And hi guys, hello po guys sa inyo. Oh my god, time check, it is 10:58 na ng gabi guys, late na. Well, hindi pa yan late. Well, almost 11 o'clock na. Katatapos lang namin nag-usap ni Tami. Papunta na daw siya dito. And yun, umuwi siya, na out siya sa he's out from work, I think that was 9. And then nag-stop siya sa isang bahay, and then kinuha niya yung vacuum. And then guys, kasi New Year's bukas, tomorrow night here, New Year's Eve. So nag-imbita na naman tong asawa ko na papunta dito, yung kapatid niyang babae na may asawa, sila lang dalawa. So okay, so mag-dinner sila dito bukas. So, magluluto na naman ako. Yun, luto-luto na naman tayo dito kasi may bisita na naman. Dalawa lang man sila, guys. Hindi man yan big deal. Pero, yun, luto. Ang gusto ni Tami is yung pork roast. So, mag-pork roast na naman tayo. Hindi yung roast beef. Fried rib, hindi yun. But anyway, guys. So, yun lang, guys. Magkita-kita lang tayo when Tami get here. And right now, hinihintay ko lang tong ini-edit ko na mag-render kasi kailangan ko siyang i-clear up yung hindi na siya, as in talagang clear na para hindi siya Hi guys! Before natin ngayong video na to, before natin siya i-end, meron akong pahabol sa inyo guys. Kasi meron akong naobserbahan sa YouTube, itong mga tao na nag-start ng YouTube, nag-start na maging vlogger, mukbang, reaction video, mga kahit ano-ano na mga ginagawa nyo. At saka meron akong mga parang naging palagi na nakikilala na sa YouTube na hindi talaga kilala, pero naging alam ko na mayroong mga YouTube dyan. Like Patrick Tria. Hi bro! Bro, kumusta ka na bro? Di ba yung sa YouTube, yung nila is dapat may 1,000 subscribers and dapat may 4,000 hours watch time yung channel mo. So, ang iba dyan, meron na silang 1,000, more than 1,000 subscribers, pero nahihirapan pa din guys, nahihirapan pa din na tawag nito yung ma-monetize yung channel nila kasi yung views kasi mahina, yun. Ang natutunan ko lang is gagawa kayo ng video na sa tingin niyo papatok. Yung mahirap talaga gumawa ng video na parang maging patok ba kayo. Sa tingin ko is yung reaction video talaga makatulong. Doon ka pumili ka ng gusto mong i-react na video. Gusto ko lang itong itulong guys sa mga sa hindi pa na monetize na gusto nang ma-monetize kasi ganito naman lang tayo, 'di ba? May natutunan tayo, may parang naobserbahan tayo guys na ganito pala dapat ganun. And parang yung channel niyo is pwede niyo lagyan ng reaction video. Like for example, if you are watching Raffy Tulfos in action and then kapag mag-react ka, dapat doon ka sa tingin mo yung views pa. Tignan mo yung views, guys. Kung yung views ng video na gusto mong i-react is mataas. So parang kay yung lately din dapat lang yun yung mag-react ka ng video. Advice lang din ito guys ng video na gusto mong i-react, dapat curious ka din. Like Mystica, I'm very curious at the time guys na bakit ganun, di ba? Nanonood ako nung unang ni Mystica, yung unang video kay Raffy. So yun, nanonood ako noon and then na-curious ako, bakit gumawa si Mystica ng gulo or bakit gumawa si Mystica ng video na ganun. So yun, nagawan ko siya ng reaction videos and then yung mataas na yung views niyo guys, mataas. Kung niyo yun sa channel na hindi pa na monetize na kayo. At gusto ko lang tulungan din gusto ko lang mag-advise or gusto ko lang maging, sa mga bagong nag-YouTube and kung paano maging monetize, maging madali yung monetization sa YouTube ninyo, then yun yung gawin ninyo guys. And yun, kung ano man yung sa channel ninyo, kung mayroong mukbang, kung mix man yung sa channel ninyo, kung gusto lang talaga ninyong focus yung isang channel niyo, isang mukbang lang, din gawa kayo ng mukbang na nagre-react kayo, yun, ganun. And so yun, and yung kung vlogging din, pwede ka naman din magva-vlog, pwede ka naman din mag-react na hindi ka kumakain, ganun. Kung gusto mo kung make-up ka, magme-makeup ka, and then mag-react ka, and then gusto mo talaga, kasi sa naobserbahan ko malaki yung mag-react ka. Hindi naman lahat guys, hindi naman talaga madali kumuha ng mga views, 'di ba? Depende lang 'yun sa video or sa thumbnail ninyo, and then also yung video na yung ni-react kan ninyo is very interested, lalo na yung mga Pilipino, yung mga mahilig tayo maraming kadramahan ngayon sa Raffy Tulfo. So yun, gawa ninyo yan at saka tignan ninyo yung views ng Raffy, kung mataas yung views, mga 1 million plus yung views niya, so that means maraming taong nag-i-interest sa video na yun, and then gagawan kayo, magmukba kayo, and then mag-react kayo. So yun lang guys, kung gusto niyo talagang ma-monetize yung channel niyo, parang madali ba? Kasi alam ko talagang mahirap guys, as in mahirap talagang ng YouTube. Marami, aminin na natin guys, marami tayong nag-YouTube, marami nang nag-YouTube ngayon dahil sa pera, 'di ba? May kita ka, 'di ba? Why not, 'di ba? Kung gusto mo talagang gawin, if you earn money of doing, uploading videos on YouTube, why not, 'di ba? Everybody is free. You can do whatever you want. So gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, gawin niyo, i-try niyo guys. Kung magpili kayo ng maraming mga viral videos ngayon sa Rafi or mga viral videos sa Pinas. Gawin niyo yan. Yan, hindi naman lahat ginagawan ko ng mga review o mga reaction videos, guys. Yung talagang curious lang talaga ako. So, yun. Yun lang, guys. Sana ma-monetize na yung channel niyo. And sana good luck sa ating lahat, guys. Ako, gumagawa, itong channel ko, guys, is I did it my own. Hindi ako kumakapit sa malalaking YouTubers dyan. So yun lang yung masasabi ko. I did it my own. I'm proud. Umabot kami ako ng 29,000 subscribers. Hindi ko inakalang umabot ako dun. And also, guys, reminder, if you keep subscribing, kung maabot tayo ng 30,000, yung promise ni Tami na mag-giveaway kami, yes, magpapa-giveaway kami. May gustong mga taong na gustong mag-giveaway ako this last Christmas. Pero pasensya na, guys, ang dami ko talagang inasikaso at dami ko mga pinapadalhan. And hindi naman dami, family thing. So, yun. So, yun lang. And good luck, guys, sa channel ninyo. And do it now, guys. Do it. Do a video. Do something. Yun lang talaga, guys. Gawin nyo niya, guys. Gusto ko lang ma-share sa inyo kung ano yung dapat gawin. Or hindi man talaga, hindi lahat, hindi ko mapapromise na papatok yung reaction video na gagawin nyo. Pero sa akin, dun kasi yung parang nakatulong din ba? Nakatulong yung reaction videos. And hindi tayo maging madamot sa mga nalalaman natin. Simple lang naman, gawin na ninyo. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to end this video. It's raining outside right now. That's why I'm wearing this, because it's cold. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe this channel para abot tayo ng 30,000 subscribers, and then giveaway tayo, guys. I think basta mayroong surprise si Tami, kung hindi ko alam, guys, kung magkaano yung ibigay niya, pero as always, thank you. I appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Bye-bye.